Hi guys, and welcome to a very quick test where I'm in the very windy Crete Islands with the world famous Greek winds, which can almost reach hurricane conditions on some days. As you can see, the wind is really going crazy, and I just want to see how well you can actually do vlogging in extremely windy conditions. And I'll be using 3 microphones for this test: the Shure MVL lavalier microphone, with the Raikkote Windjammer, which I'm currently talking to you now on, the DJI Mic 1 and the DJI Mic 2 with their standard wind muffs. So let's give them a quick test and see how well they do. So you're currently listening to the Shure MVL lavalier microphone connected directly to the iPhone 15 with the Raikkote Windjammer. So how well does this microphone sound in this extremely windy condition? Are you able to vlog? Or is it completely distorted by the wind? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's now change across to the DJI Mic 1 and the DJI Mic 2 before I get blown away. So this is the DJI Mic 2 wireless receiver. I'm using the standard wind muff that comes as part of it. I'm speaking directly into the microphone and it's recording on the mic itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How well does this microphone cope with the rather windy conditions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's extremely windy. You probably even see the trees moving. Trust me, it's absolutely blowing a gale here. I'm just managing to hold onto the microphone before it completely goes over and disappears. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now it's the turn of the DJI Mic 1 with the standard wind muff. Again, in these rather very windy conditions, how well does this microphone work to be able to reduce the sound of the winds? Whoa, nearly went crazy again there. I nearly lost the mobile phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, a testing of the DJI Mic 1 in these ridiculously extremely windy conditions. Is it possible to be able to vlog? And if you're crazy enough to actually be able to do any videos in such a situation such as this. I'm absolutely almost lost my mobile phone and the mic and me at the same time there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so just as a comparison, this is the audio coming from the iPhone 15 directly, internal microphones. This is the internal microphones of the iPhone 15, just to see how I can cope in these ridiculously windy conditions. Okay, so that is a very quick technical test of 3 microphones to see how well we can actually vlog in extremely windy conditions. So that was the Shure MVL microphone with the Raikkote Windjammer, the DJI Mic 1 and the DJI Mic 2 with their standard wind muffs. Which do you think actually sounded the best and which coped with the wind? Alright, so listening back to the actual sound, I think, whoa, really got blown away there. Listening back to the actual sound, I think that actually the DJI Mic 1 and the DJI Mic 2 performed admirably in this rather windy condition, along with the Shure MVL Raikkote with the Raikkote Windjammer. All 3 microphones did a very good job, I think, in its extremely wind conditions. So this gives a lot of confidence of being able to vlog in in conditions like this. Beautiful blue sky, but crazy wind, really crazy. So I hope you find this video useful in any way, and let me know in the comments which microphone you sound the best. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks and microphone tests like this. Take care and see you soon.